So in this video I'm gonna be talking about how you can fill your Wi-Fi password. You may have been connected through WPS, or you've been given access through scanning and you don't know the password. So in this video I'm gonna be talking about it. So you'll have to click on this QR code, the right, then you can see scan QR code. Yes, so you screenshot that QR code, then we will be heading to this website where you will be able to decode the Wi-Fi password and you will get the real password of that particular Wi-Fi hotspot. So the first site is you will have to search for QR code reader, then you search. You can see the first link, which is the DNS changer, free online QR code scanner and reader. So you'll have to go with the first link, click on the first link, then you will see here you will see somewhere you've been told upload QR code. So you'll have to click, then after clicking you'll have to select that particular screenshot from your device. So this you'll have to, for me I don't want to allow, but ask for permission, try again. Let me just allow. Okay, you can scroll down and you will find there the password. You can see the password here starts with 222111 or something like that. So that's the first method in which you can fill your Wi-Fi password. So I'm gonna be talking about the second. Before I talk about the second one, I'm going to copy that password to confirm that it is working and it is accurate. So you can see I'm connected again to this Wi-Fi password called Maryland. You can see. So let me connect the second Wi-Fi. This is my nearest hotspot. So you can see I'm connected. So I'm again clicking on that QR code icon, then I take a screenshot of it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you another website where you can decode that QR code and be able to fill that password. So for this we are going with zsync.org. So I'm going to search. Okay, you can see here we have option where you will be able to choose a file. So you can see here choose a file. So when you click there, you will be redirected to your device where you will select that particular screenshot and it will be able to decode for you and give you the exact password for that given mobile hotspot. So you can see this is the screenshot. Oh, sorry, unable to complete due to low memory. So I'm going to redo it. So I'm going to select that same screenshot. You can see it is already screenshot for 1 GB. So you can see on the right side we have submit. That's where you'll have to click. And now we will be able to view our mobile password. So this is the mobile password. You can copy the password and you can write it somewhere, then you will use it later whenever you get disconnected. So this is it for today. Please, if you are new, please make sure to consider subscribing to our channel, like and even share our videos. and I will be bringing more and more educative content just like this for today. So stay tuned, I'll be posting more and more videos to come. See you and bye bye.